Okay, so that is about split function. So ASCII we have already discussed. So if you give ASCII of that letter, so it will show you the ASCII number. If you write B, it will give you 66. And in the same way, you can put the customer name field or any of the dimensional field you can insert here. And now let's go to char. So it's a vice versa, like it's the opposite of ASCII value. So if you give the ASCII value, it will give you the letter. So let's create calculator field char of 65. Say okay. So what is the value? Yeah, the ASCII value is 65. You got a letter 66. If it is 66, it will show you B. If it is 76, it will show you L. So like this, it will show you what is the digit for the ASCII value. Okay, so sometimes we do filtering based on the, I'll just click on this remove button, customer name. So we have so many names, like we have 800 names. So I want to filter on few names which contains like LAN. So in the name, if it contains LAN, I want to see those names. Contains LAN. So I can what is the name? Yeah, contents. Yeah. So if you put it in the filters and make it true, so whichever has LAN, so Alan Dominguez, Alan Haynes, Roland. So whichever contains LAN in the data, LAN in the customer name, you can see that name. Or else you can write this customer name in a different way. If contains LAN, then I want to see LAN or contains LAN. I want to say contains LAN. Else customer name only N. Contain. Okay, I will put it here. Cool. System. Okay, equal to true. Sorry, Sandeep, you are saying something? Okay. Okay. So contains LAN has come, whichever contains LAN. Just a second, I'm getting a call. Okay, so contains LAN will be shown separately, and rest all has will be shown as the same as customer name. So this way, if you want to see something, or you can say Ellen. So whichever has Ellen in the name. Okay, so these are the name which has Ellen. in the name. ALAN, like this. So this we can make use of. So that is about contains. And now let's talk about ends with and starts with. So in the same function only we'll write starts with. So contains, in the name only you can identify. So whichever in the customer name, if it contains, it will show you that. So if it starts with, I want to see A. I will say starts with A. Say apply. Okay. Okay. So these are the names which are starting with A. So to list out whichever starts with A and all. And so there is a function called ends with. So same. If you want to know which is ending with a A. So there are names. B, C, D, E. Okay, sorry. Starts. I will write this as ends with A. Apply. Yeah. So these are the names. You can see it is ending with A. So all these names are ending with A. So to know which is starting with A and which is ending with A. And we also have find function. Find the location of the letters that we enter. Find. Okay, we just need to write find customer name. So I want to find where is this, let's say LAN only. Okay, so okay, so wherever you see 0, right? So that means LAN is not existed in this. So this we can see, and let's see for wherever it is 1 or 2. Yeah. So 2. So LAN, it is located in the second location. So second letter. It is starting from the second letter. So it is showing the position of that letters that we enter here. And it is showing the third letter, LAN. So it is find is nothing but it will show you the location of the letters that you want to see. So LAN is existed at 7th location, 3rd location, and 9th location. So if you count from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9th location, you have this LAN number. So that way we can make use of find. And let's say in calculation, you want to find the nth value. Let's say you want to find A. So A you have in the second position also, and you have in the 7th position also. So you can mention which position you want. So I want to see the second position, second A. So you can make use of find nth, and I want to see position of A, second position, second A. Say apply. So go to the top. Okay. Find wherever it is 1 and all. Okay, in this case, there is no second A at all. That's why it is showing you 0. So it starts with A only, but it is showing you 0 because there is no second A. And now let's go to the place where it shows has any value. Let's say, yeah, here. So Aaron Bergman. So you have this second position. Yeah, you have second A in the second position only. And second A, it is in third position here. And second A is in fourth position. So these are not very much important. That's why I'm going very fast. And you have left and right functions. And in the same way, you have this length function. So length is also, it will show you the length of the letters. Let's say if you have 7 letters, it will show you 7. And so which one is important is like left function and right function is very important. So we'll discuss about that. Yeah. So left and right is very important. So left of customer name. So how many letters that you want? So let's say I want 4 letters. Left. Say apply. Okay. So first left side 4 letters it will show. Or else I want only 2 letters. Say apply. So it will show you 2 letters. And right, you want to see 3 letters. So right side 3 letters. From this side, it will count for 3 letters and it will show you. And if you want middle somewhere in the middle you want. So that is somewhere in the middle, like from third, starting from third letter, I want 2 letters. Let's say 1, 2, 3, Olvera. So it should start from here. And from here, I want 3 letters, which is VE. So that it will show. Say apply. So yeah. So 1, 2, 3, NJ. So it from third letter, I want this 2 letters. So that is what I am mentioning. So from fourth letter, if I want 2 letters, yeah. So this is not so important. And so that way we can find mid, left, right. And yeah, so minimum function and maximum function also we can use, but we don't usually use it in the real time. So when you have 2 different columns, when you compare, based on the ASCII value, it will show you minimum and maximum. Yeah, so yeah. So I'll just take a pause. If you have any questions, you can ask. With that, we have completed numerical and string functions. And from tomorrow's session, we are going to continue string functions and start new function type. Okay, Sandeep, can you tell me what is the usage of starts with function? Lakshmi, can you tell me what is the usage of starts with function? Hello. Preet, can you hear me? Yeah. Okay. Sandeep, can you tell me what is the usage of starts with function? Okay. So starts with in the name itself, it's there. So start whichever, like we can specify the starting letters. So whichever starts with that name, you can find out. Okay. So Ravi, can you tell me what is the usage of contains function? Mm-hmm. Yeah. per- Yeah. Preet, can you tell me what is the use of left function? Yeah, perfect. Yeah, so with that, we have completed this Tableau session 8. So we'll continue in the next sessions. Anybody have any questions before wrapping up? Sorry, I didn't hear you. Okay. Okay, then. Thank you all for joining. We'll continue in the next session. Bye. Chep. Chep Ravi. Okay. Okay. So for do not chart, let's take region. So even for do not and pie chart, we need to have values not more than 6. So I'm taking the region as an example. Yeah, one dimension measure. So just directly click on this pie chart, or you can manual. You want to do manually? You can put region in the colors, sales in the size, and sales in the angle. And here you need to select pie. In that way also we can do. And so there are many ways. Some people write a minimum of 1 and all. So I'll usually prefer sum of 0. So this is like workaround for this. So in Tableau by default, this do not chart is not available. So that's why we do this workaround. So I have written this sum of 0 twice, and I'll do dual axis. Okay. So whenever you have 2 axes, you will get 2 marks cards. Okay. So one is for one pie chart, other one is for other pie chart. So in one pie chart, I will remove everything. I will make it as blank. I want to show it in white color, reduce the size. Okay. And in the other one, I will keep it as it is, and I will increase the size. And so this will contain only the circle part, or you can directly select circle also. So other sum of 0 will have only circle, and you can increase the size that you want. And then you can do, so you can remove these lines also. So in format you go to lines, you can remove 0 lines. Yeah. So if you remove those lines, it will look good. And remove this axis and all. Show header axis. Yeah. Show this tools. Yeah. So likewise, you can show this thing. And if you want to show the labels, region, put it on the label as well. Yeah, I want to show some of sales also in the label. Region. Yeah. So this way I can show donut chart. Is it clear, Ravi? Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thank you all.